Our history. Ransun Heavy Industry Technology Company Limited is a professional excavator attachments equipment manufacturer and is a creative excavator front-end multifunction attachment solution provider. In the past more than 15 years, our RSBM has grown into a diversified, well-known supplier with advanced R&D capacity, reasonable design, effective production, and the best sales service. We can provide professional service to customers all over the world. Our vision, our RSBM Buckets aims to be a leading supplier of excavator and backhoe attachments throughout the world. Our RSBM has developed rapidly in years, not only because of annual investment in R&D, but also the strict quality testing in the production process and professional customer service. Ranging from materials to finished excavator attachments, we have our own QC team to control each detail, and also established a product quality inspection system to ensure high-quality excavator attachments and on-time delivery. Our mission: manufacture quality excavator attachments with first-class technical support and innovative design. Enrich and broaden the product line to follow the trend of engineering machinery. Increase investment in R&D. Make more strong and more wearable excavator attachments. Perfect enterprise encouragement policy and training plan to build a positive and professional service team. As proud owner of our RSBM Bucket, it is important that you keep being satisfied